Let's start with the ELISA Kits. So our one-step ELISA Kits, which is undoubtedly our star product, they have four major advantages. First, the assay can be completed within 1 hour with only one incubation and wash step. Second, it delivers exceptional performance and high sensitivity with a minimum detectable concentration as low as 0.13 picogram per milliliter and a 100-fold linear dynamic range. Third, it uses our self-developed recombinant antibodies to effectively minimize batch-to-batch variation. Fourth, we offer custom bulk packaging for industrial purchase. We continuously develop multiple kit versions for the same target to match diverse sample conditions. For example, a high sensitivity version for low abundance samples, wide linearity version for samples with large concentration differences. And we also have optimized versions tailored for cell supernatant, for serum, and for other sample types. Besides one-step ELISA kits, we also have lots of conventional ELISA kits. They are ready to use with high quality and proven reliability since they have been cited in over 800 peer-reviewed publications. We offer a broad target menu covering human, mouse, rat, pig targets as well as small molecules. Over 2,000 targets and a total of over 3,000 kits.